This is the premium woodworking event in the UK. There's a lot of people here that you would be interested to talk to. I would say you have to come down and see Merkur and see all of the other companies that are here.
The quality of the attendees have been great. They're all relevant in the industry and relevant for our product, so when you speak to them you can have some very high quality conversation.
It's an important show for us to attend. We like to come out and meet the teams, meet the people that want to buy our equipment and offer them solutions for their problems. We feel it's great value for people to see products and have a real face-to-face conversation. Some definite good leads have come from this and some great communication and contact.
We've had so many leads actually from customers already that I farmed out to our dealers already, so I've got people that are happy left, right and centre.
Definitely it has been a very positive show for us. It's the right show with the right people, with the right mindset, who show a high interest in our software, and we are very likely coming back next year to the show again.